Hey, good morning, everybody. It's John with GreenKey. Got my brother Chase here, and we are on site at a commercial job today. And I wanted to show y'all what it's going to look like. I'm excited about this one. It's 6 Tesla universal wall connectors. We're going to be installing 3 pedestals with cable retractors in this parking area that the town is using to. It's right next to the Amtrak lines, and it's also a place where people would come and park so that they could walk and shop in the downtown area. So I'll go ahead and let you see what we got. Here we have our parking lot. Whoa, our parking lot. Starting the day off right. Let me walk over here and get away from the tripping hazards. So here we have our parking lot, and they've actually already provided us the electrical service. There's 800 amps of service and the panels right up the hill. So what we're going to do is we're going to trench from those panels. You can see our orange line that we put on the ground. And we're going to run our line on the back side of the sidewalk. We got permission from the AHJ to mount these on the back side of the sidewalk because no one really walks through here. It's just a parking area. So we don't have to worry about disturbing the asphalt or the sidewalk. Don't have to mess with any of that. Because of the hill, though, you can't probably see it better this way, but there's a pretty good hill on the back side of the sidewalk. And because of that, we're going to go ahead and do this using Sonotubes and bury our post in concrete rather than putting in concrete pads. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. I've got the electrical folks here right now. I need to speak with them, but we'll get started on this, and as we go, we'll let y'all see the progress. See you soon. God bless. Hey everybody. All right, so we're a little further along on our commercial job. We're right in the middle of trenching right now, and again, we're on the back side of this sidewalk, so I'm gonna let y'all see what we've got. Our first post is gonna go right here, and we have to run conduit along this sidewalk. So Chase is on a 3,500 pound mini excavator, and we're digging a trench about 24 inches deep. The conduit has to be 18 inches deep. We're running 1.5 inch conduit. We're going to be running wire for 2 chargers in the conduit. We just oversized the conduit in case they decide to go with an 80 amp charger in the future. They'd have the conduit to support it. So that's why we're running 1.5 inches. We're going to be running schedule 40 in the ground, and then where it comes out of the ground, we're going to be transitioning to schedule 80. It'll come up into the pedestal post, so you won't see it on the ground side, but you will see it over at the electrical service, which you can see back in the background over there. That's where we're headed. You can see our orange line that we're following, and we'll have a trench all the way back to that electrical service. Before we got started today, though, we had to get several groups out here. We had called Miss Utility, and they had marked, but they hadn't marked in the area where we're working. There was a misunderstanding when we put the ticket in. So they were awesome. They came out this morning and marked everything. We know exactly where our utility lines are so that we can stay away from them. And it looks like we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna keep on digging, and we'll see y'all soon. Hey, it's John, and I'm back. We're wrapping up for the day at the commercial job that we're on. Chase is already in the van, ready to go back to the hotel. And I just wanted to show y'all what we've got. So again, we've got 3 posts. They're just sitting in the trench right now. We haven't run our conduit, but we do have our trench in end to end. You can see way down there is our electrical panels that we're going to be running our conduit from. So first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to drop our conduit in the trench, and we'll go ahead and plumb up our posts and get them ready for concrete. And we'll have our trench inspection that'll let us fill the trench back in. And then after that, we'll be mixing concrete and getting the post set. And after all of that, if we still have time tomorrow, we will work on pulling wire. So that's it for today. I hope y'all have a great one. Remember that God loves you, and we will see you tomorrow.